Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the Bitmoji on the upper left corner. And here, just go to the settings icon on the upper right corner. And here you'll find the option Bitmoji right here. Just head over there and just tap on unlink my Bitmoji. So if you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in my wardrobe. So if you tap on remove, your Bitmoji will be removed from your Snapchat. So yeah, as I currently don't want to remove my Bitmoji from my Snapchat, I'm currently not tapping on remove. But as you want to remove it, just go ahead and tap on remove. So yeah, this is how you can just remove your Bitmoji from your Snapchat. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.